Tyrone Humbles and welcome to Captiva Spirits Craft Cocktails. Today we're going to share with you how we make our banana beach slushy. You're going to need a few items. You're going to need some shot glasses. Today we're going to use a 2-ounce shot glass for efficiency. You're going to need some Captiva Spirits Key Lime Honey Vodka. Remember, there's raw honey down the bottom of it, so we will be pre-shaking our bottle for efficiency. You'll be needing half a banana. That will be for infusing into the drink and as our garnish. You'll need some heavy whipping cream. You can use whatever brand that you like. You'll need some Real banana infused syrup, a blender, and some whipped cream. Again, use whatever type of whipped cream you like, and you'll need a flute. So we're going to start out today by adding a little ice to our blender. Remember, every blender is different, so make sure that you have follow what ice ratio that they use for that particular brand. So for us, we use about 3/4 full. Then we started adding the delicious Captiva Spirits Key Lime Honey Vodka. We're going to use 4 shots for that. This is a double shot glass, so we'll be using 2. That's 1 and 2. We do everything in a certain order because the syrups tend to be a little thick and we want to make sure everything mixes well. So please do it in the order that we do this. Then we use some heavy whipping cream. We're going to use 2 ounces of that. Then we're going to use our infused banana puree from Real. We'll also use 2 ounces of that. Then we prepped our bananas, so we're going to add a half a banana to that. And then we're going to blend. Now that they're blended, we're going to pour that into our flute. Go. We're going to add that yummy whipping cream. And we're going to garnish with the banana. Add a Captiva Spirits colored straw. And cheers, our banana beach slushy.